Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of similarity. So let's start. Student, let's discuss the concept. Now I have taken two triangles ABC and PQR. And in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular, so it is the height of triangle ABC. Same way in the second triangle, PS is the height. Now you know the general formula of area of triangle, that is half into base into height. If I take area of triangle ABC, then it will be half into base is BC, correct? And height is AD. Same way, when you write the area of triangle PQR, then it will be half into QR. QR is the base here. Height is PS, so it will be QR into PS. If I want to find out the ratio of this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So right hand side, my ratio will be half into BC into AD and half into QR into PS. When you cancel out this, what you have observed, that ratio of the area will be equal to the ratio of product of base and height. So generally how you can write? If my first triangle is T1 and second triangle is my T2, then what will be the general formula? It will be the ratio of product of base into height, where B1 and H1 is the base of and height of first triangle, while B2 and H2 is the base and height of second triangle respectively. Now student, just see in the figure, ABC and triangle DEF both have taken within the parallel line. So what will be the height? See, when I take the height from this is the height. Same way for this triangle also, height will be the distance between two parallel lines which remain the same. It means both the triangles have the same height. So whenever two triangles are within the same parallel line, their height is same. So what we can say about their area of ratio? So if I want to take area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF, their height is same. So this will be equal to only the ratio of base. Now base of first triangle is AC, while base of second triangle is DF. So whenever height is same, ratio of area will be equal to ratio of their base only. Same way, in the second figure, I have taken QS, which divide the triangle into two triangles. So in all there are three triangles, two smaller triangle, one is the combined triangle. If I want to take area of triangle PQS and area of triangle QSR, their base is on the same line and opposite vertex is Q. So when I draw the perpendicular from Q to PR, it will remain same for both the triangle. In that case also, ratio will be equal to directly ratio of their base. PS is the base of this triangle, same way PSR is the base of second triangle. In this also, we can take the combined triangle. When I take the ratio of triangle PQR and triangle PQS, then for PQR, base is PR. For PQS, base is PS. Then my ratio will be PR by PS. Same way, if the shaded one I will take with the full one, then area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle SQR will be equal to PR by SR. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Now student, let's solve the sum based on the concept. Now here I have taken two triangles ABC, which is right angle triangle. So AB is the base and BC is the height. Same way the lower triangle ADB, AB is perpendicular to AD. So one we can take as base and other we can take as height. So what we have observed that this base is same. Okay. So ratio whichever is ours we can take directly. What we have to take? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is asked. So ABC is the upper triangle, ADB is the lower triangle. Base is same in that. So you know ratio of the area of the triangles with the same base will be equal to only ratio of their corresponding heights. So that reason you have to write. What reason you will write, students? Ratio of area of triangles with same base. Now BC and AD both are given to you. When you substitute their value, it will be 4 by 8. You can reduce it easily. 1 by 2. So finally what is, they have asked in the form of fraction. So your answer should be always in terms of fraction only. If they will ask in ratio, then your final answer should be in terms of ratio. Here they have asked in fraction. So this ratio will be only, this answer will be only 1 by 2. Now student, let's study the figure. See, RQ is given 6, PS is given 6. So this RQ is 6. PS is also 6. PR full is given 12. This PR. From this point to this point. You are asked to find out the QT. Just concentrate on this triangle. It is an obtuse angle triangle. When I take QR as a base, if I consider this as a base, then my height will be PS, because in obtuse angle triangle, when you draw the perpendicular towards the base where the obtuse angle is there, then height is always outside the triangle. But same triangle, when I take PR as the base, my QT is the height. So we can write like this: area of triangle PQR. Again I am taking the same triangle, area of triangle PQR itself. If I am taking QR as base, then it will be equal to QR into PS. Same way, when I take PR as the base, then my QT is the height. Correct? This is the property of ratio of the area of the triangles. Now both the triangles are same. So this side my ratio will be 1 by 1. QR you know is 6. PS is also 6. PR is 12. You are asked to find out the QT. Now you can cross multiply. So your 12 into QT will be 6 into 6, 36. So your value of QT will be 36 by 12. 12 ones are 12 threes are. So your QT will be 3. So same concept we have applied to calculate the value of QT. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.